Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to apply HTV decals to things like tumblers, and I'm just going to do it on one of my tray sets that I'm working on. So wanted to just hop on here right quick and give you a quick lowdown on how to do it. I always wear this, one of my garden gloves actually, but I use it for crafting, and to hold the decal into place, because I'm going to use a heat gun to apply it so that I don't burn my hands. I have a little protection. I use a glove. And what basically we're going to do is we're going to take the decal, position it where you want it, make sure it's even, kind of like what you would do on a t-shirt. Make sure it's even. Press it down. And then we're going to get our heat gun. And my heat gun's from Harbor Freight. And I use it for my tumblers, etc. So, and then we're going to apply heat. And make sure this is applying. I don't want to burn it. I want to make sure it's getting applied. So let's see. Let's see. Alright, let's start pulling up. And see if it's applying. So it hasn't applied yet, but it is loosening up from the plastic, the backing of the decal. And put something under the tray or whatever if you're going to put it on your legs like I'm doing. If you're going to do it on a table, you'll be fine. I put an apron underneath. Let's try again. See if we can get this start coming up. It's starting to come up, see? So, just want to make sure that's laid down. And we'll just keep working our way across. Good. It's starting to get down. See how it's staying down. Alright, so see right there? So we got GAB done. Now we've got to work on the rest. You can wear two gloves too. That might help. Especially on these stainless steel. Alright. Up. Gotta do the L. There we go. Just make sure it's all the way down. And then slowly take the plastic off. The backing of your HTV decal. Hope that helps. It's quick and easy. You can do this on Tumblers, etc. If you can't find the right color of regular vinyl, like Oracle 651 vinyl, sometimes you can find it in an HTV. And sometimes some of the decals might be easier to apply with this method, with HTV, versus regular decals. Hope that helps. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.